Hey Jay, this is Jackie. I just wanted to make a quick tutorial about a library resource called Learning Express. It's actually provided by Oregon State Libraries, and among the different things it has in there is some tutorials for things like Excel, Access, things like that that you might want to direct students to. One thing I didn't cover yesterday in class, and I think you and I should talk about more for the library at Hermiston, is a lot of Spanish language resources and materials that the library currently has, but also maybe what we should acquire for that print collection we're thinking of. So we'll talk more. But anyway, I wanted to show you Learning Express. So from our library homepage, you will go down to Library Databases, and then you will click on Library Databases L through Z, Learning Express. And here's Learning Express. Learning Express is actually kind of cool. Let me center it a little bit. I will say the career prep stuff, the job career accelerator stuff, this is a whole other conversation we can have. Actually, I wish our career coaches used a little bit more. I showed it to Velda, and it's pretty amazing that with the resume builder tools, the other materials, and they do have some Spanish resources as well, just here. The prep stuff is great. So anyway, a lot of cool stuff in here. And this is available, I think, a good thing to advertise to, like I said, all Oregonians, because it is provided by the Oregon State Library. So even if we have folks who aren't yet students, who maybe are in college prep or in something like, they have access to this, because again, they are Oregonian, assumingly. So anyway, but to the point here, I'm going to go to our Computer Skills Center. And you can see there's a lot of different things, and this is popular software tools. And as you scroll down, you'll see what we have access to as far as training. And these are pretty in-depth. I don't even want to look at Access, but I will. So you can see right here, there are a basic, intermediate, and advanced course. You can see they're kind of long. I mean, they're actually 5 hours long, 4 hours long. So they're not a short thing at all. What you do have to do as a student or whomever is register. And you don't, again, this is all Oregonians. You don't necessarily need a library card, but if you'll find out why you do have to register is because it actually tracks your progress over time. So it tracks your progress. If you start, and of course don't sit down and complete all 4 hours at once, but just do it in chunks, it tracks where you're at, and your login allows you to do that. But registering is easy. You know, in this case, our institution's Blue Mountain Community College. If they're a community member, I don't care if they use Blue Mountain Community College as an institution, but they might find themselves, say, through Hermiston Public Library, for example, as their institution. And students just, it's so interesting. Do they want, if you're a European Union citizen, not a U.S. citizen, they just care if you remember the EU. And then you just register, and there you go. So I think I should already be registered. I'm hoping this password's all set. Should have tested it. But update account. And okay, well now I'm logged in. I'm sorry, I guess I have to start over again. I should have tested this before making this video. And let's start the tutorial. And there you are. It goes through these great videos. There's also a transcript. You can download the transcript or print it. Some people do, of course, prefer that. And it walks you through step by step. So anyway, I thought this might be helpful for what the group's trying to do. There's probably shorter recordings too. I mean, I realize this is pretty intense at 5 hours long. It'd be almost nice if it was at the FAQ level. Though there is this search box I saw. Search and video. So if you needed to do, gosh, I don't know, access enough to even think like what would I put in, like data entry or something like that. But you could search maybe within the video to take you to that exact help point. So anyway, I wanted to point that out to you. And maybe one other thing that we can sit down and talk about at some point is our other Spanish language resources. Unfortunately, my Spanish fluency is so poor. I know where our Spanish resources are, but I don't. And I know what some of them include. But, you know, for example, maybe you have some other stuff. I don't know what this is about. It looks like it's about writing, you know, speech and grammar. Okay. I'm not as familiar enough to kind of GED exam. You know, it looks like help with math. But again, maybe you have some fluent staff that can help a little bit more. But again, for some of our students, it's kind of a help center until you get that great student success center, which you need. This as a resource. There's other resources as well. And I'm going to be more intentional in pointing those out, especially when I'm at Hermiston. So anyway, yeah, hope we get to touch base soon. Bye.